So DLD Day is an international day for raising awareness of developmental language disorder, which has been organised by the Raising Awareness for Developmental Language Disorder campaign.
It's where a child or young person has a persistent difficulty understanding and or using language. It's a lifelong condition. There's no known cause for it, but it can have a huge impact on a young person's social, emotional, mental well-being and also their academic progress. So we've been sharing information as far and wide as we possibly can with the people that we work with, schools, nurseries, colleagues, to raise awareness of what DLD is. Within Bexley we've had a baking session, so cakes have been available to staff with this year's hashtag #ThinkLanguage, #ThinkDLD. Who doesn't love a bit of cake with a message?
So we held an information coffee morning yesterday and welcomed parents into the DSP so that we could share the good practice that we use to support our pupils with DLD. So DLD is more common than you think.
And Dr. Courtney Norbury has said that it's actually the most common childhood condition that you've never heard of. It affects 1 in 14 people. That equates to about 2 children in every class of 30. But it is hidden, so we forgive you for not noticing it. It's not something that is immediately obvious, and often children have lots of coping strategies that can sometimes mask some of the underlying difficulties with understanding and or using language.
So our efforts to raise greater awareness of developmental language disorder all links in with building a fairer Oxley's.
And actually we know that 7% of the population have DLD, and it's a lifelong condition, so the likelihood is there's someone in your team with DLD even if they don't know it. So if you think that you're struggling with your language in any capacity, we'd advise you to speak to your line manager, speak to your support networks to try and access the right support to help you in your everyday work.
And if you would like further information about DLD, you can go to www.radld.org.